let us start with the budget preparation. Yung start talaga, nandito si Wendell, galing to sa DBM. So alam na alam din ito yung procedure. Ang una talaga dyan, yung DBCC, Development Budget Coordinating Committee. It is composed by, of course, DBM, Department of Finance, NEDA, at saka Central Bank, kasama dyan. Sila yung nagsiset ng development goals. Kasi lahat naman yung ating ginagawa sa budget, naka-base yan sa Philippine Development Plan. So meron kang Philippine Development Plan, meron ka ring medium-term development plan. Then magtawag na ng budget call yung DBM. Yung individual agencies magpipresent yun ng kanilang budget doon sa DBM. So they defend it sa DBM. So pag nakumpleto na yung lahat ng agencies, ko-consolidate ng DBM yon, assisted by, of course, nandiyan yung economic team to review, gagawa na sila nung